Hi guys, so it's Mother's Day today, and finally got a little bit of time to myself to get some filming done. Decided to film this week's bullet journal setup. I'm going to be using the Rapunzel kit. I'll show you the kit now. This is actually due out on Saturday, so it's kind of a look, an early look at the kit. So this is the first sheet, and the second sheet, third sheet, and the fourth sheet. I really like these colours. I think they're really bold and colourful. I think they'll look really good. I'm going to be using my bullet journal. Before I get into that, I also want to show you one of the presents that I was given for Mother's Day. It's a mouse mat with Bob in space on, which is perfect and I love it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain kind of where I'm at, and then we'll get into the planning side of things. So last week was chaotic, and this is last week's spread, totally untouched. I will fill it in. I might have a bit of time to fill it in tonight after I've finished with this week's spread, but I lost all impetus to do it, and it's just been a really busy week. So obviously this coronavirus is spreading, and here in the UK it's coming on quite quick. Developments and advice from the government and stuff is happening on a daily basis, and we're following everything. But I also work in a school, and we knew at the end of, well, probably about 2 weeks ago, that at some point it was inevitable that the schools were going to close, and we were going to need to provide some kind of online learning. So part of my role is to support the network manager and help with all the computing and stuff. So we've been working really hard, kind of working out a plan and working out solutions, finding ways around problems and bits and pieces. And this week it's just been chaotic. Wednesday we had the announcement that schools were going to close on Friday. So we had to work pretty quick to ensure that teachers were happy using the systems that we had in place, that parents were able to use it, that it was usable and it was actually going to do what we wanted it to do. Teachers have been amazing and kind of have already planned work and got videos up and everything. My brain has been a bit of a mush this week, and when I've gotten home in the evenings, I've just been exhausted and haven't had the time or the energy to plan or do anything extra. So that's why last week wasn't filled in. I'm going to go ahead and film this plan with me, but this one's going to be slightly different as well, because I'm actually going to be doing an extra spread. Because I am homeschooling my two girls this week, I need to know what we're doing, what the plans are. So I'm going to be planning out my week as normal, and then using this kit. And then I plan on creating like a homeschool spread. So I have days of the week stickers. These are some stickers I made last night, in fact. They come in all the different colours, but I've picked these colours. These are the Dawn colours because they kind of match my Rapunzel colours really well. So I'm going to use these. And then I also came up with these what I'm calling homeschool stickers. So the idea is, or the idea I have in my head, is that I'm going to use each sticker for a lesson for the day, title of the lesson, and then just a quick objective or something that we want to achieve for that lesson. So my girls' teachers are hopefully emailing us with information for each lesson that they want us to do, and then I'm just going to plot that in as we go, but it will help me set out the week and kind of see where we are. There's also like a big list of daily challenges that they wanted to try and complete. They're like more fun things like planting seeds in the garden, creating like a comic strip, doing some coding and things, all things that we probably had done anyway, but I need a space to put those in as well. And I'm not sure, but I'm hoping there'll be a space at the bottom of each day just to give a rundown of kind of where we're at with this virus and kind of any significant changes or anything that have happened. So I'm going to kind of play with that as we go, see how it fits. The first part of the video will be just my normal weekly spread, and then I'm going to work out how to kind of do this homeschool thing. So I'm going to use some watercolours. I'm going to use my trusty Staedtler Pigment liner, wherever that disappeared to. I'm going to stop waffling and let's see how it goes. Okay, so here is my final spread. This is my weekly Dutch doll style spread. Same as always, I've got my to-do list, meal list, a countdown to something. I might just put in week one of homeschooling. Monday, Tuesday, then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's my normal weekly spread, and then this is my homeschool spread. Now this is obviously my first week doing this, and I'm going to see how this works. If it works, I'll probably do the same thing next week. If it doesn't work, I'll try something new. I'll go through the weeks first. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and there are 4 main things we need to try and get done, as well as some PE things, which I'm splitting up into 2 different sections for each day. So first thing, both girls, despite the fact that Lila's in nursery, she's been learning phonics with reception, so we need to do some phonics with her. So both Aria and Lila need phonics. So what I'm going to do is each day, or each lesson even, stick a little like Aria sticker and a little Lila sticker for each lesson, and then kind of jot down what it is that we're doing. Same with literacy. So for Aria it'll be more kind of writing based sentences. For Lila it's letter formation and writing her name, that kind of stuff. We might do a few CVC words as well. Maths, Aria is apparently getting some maths work emailed to her every day, and Lila again is kind of numbers up to 20, so formation of her letters, and then we can do some counting and some simple adding and taking away. She's pretty good at maths, so you know, we'll just keep going over what she enjoys doing. And then they have challenges to do each day, so it might be something like plant a seed, excuse the noise on my phone, or something else. So I'll fill those in every day. At the bottom we'll jot down what we do for PE, and then this is my weekly column. So I'm going to jot down when we have to email back the teacher each day to say what we've done, and then this is kind of for highlights, updates on what's happening in the world for each day. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching. So here's my spread for homeschool. This may change as kind of we see how it works. This is my first time doing it. I don't know what's going to work and what's not going to work. So I split it into the 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and each day has got a phonics lesson, a literacy lesson, a maths lesson, and a challenge to do. There's also space at the bottom for the exercise that we do. We are asked to email the teachers kind of evidence of what they've been learning. So this is like a checklist for when I've emailed. I'm going to stick these little stickers in, one for Aria and one for Lila, on each lesson to kind of jot down quickly what we need to do. And then I have a space here for kind of an update on the virus and what's happening in the world. So that's kind of it. As I said, it may change next week depending on how I find using this week. So I'll show you quickly what I have left in the kit. I have got some half boxes, quarter boxes, weekend banner icons, little things and flags, some more boxes and checklists and things, then check boxes and a few little bits of deco, and some quarter boxes. Thank you very much for watching. Wash your hands, don't touch your face, and I will see you next time. Bye! So for the new releases this week, I have this Rapunzel kit. This is the full kit. So there are your 4 boxes, your deco sheet, date covers and bottom washi, your little things, headers, check boxes and half boxes and some quarter boxes in there too. Each of these sheets is available a la carte as well. So that's the full kit. Also have a mini / bullet journal kit. There's the first page and the second page, third page and the final page. Really love these colours, they really pop. I'm really glad with how it came out. So that's the bullet / mini kit. This is a type of kit that I will actually use in my own journal. It also comes as a hobo kit. I haven't set mine up yet, so I can't show you that, but that's my next job. So there's the first sheet and the second sheet. I really like these sticky notes this week. And the third sheet. So there are the kits that are available this week, and the other release I have are these car stickers. Now I know that the world is all quite odd at the minute, but I'm just trying to kind of get through, and car stickers may not be a priority right now, but they are available if you should need them. So I have this car maintenance sheet. You get a few of these different colour cars. You get a few of like Bob filling up the car. Get quite a few of those. Changing the wheel, changing the tyre. You got a service sticker, insurance, MOT and tax. So this is the car maintenance one, and this sheet comes as a mini sheet as well. And then the other ones that will be up in the shop are these car stickers. So they're very similar to the road trip ones, except you don't have any text that says road trip, they're all just cars. You can see I've pinched one from the sheet. So this also comes as a mini sheet, so I'll show you the comparison there. Again, I've used some of these ones, these are from my own stash. So these cards will be available as well as the car maintenance sheet, and as I said, the car maintenance sheet comes in the big one and it also comes in micro or mini icons. So those new releases will be available on Saturday. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!